Hey, dummy, I'm talking to you. Now, that's normally what I say to myself in the mirror, but not today. Today, the dummy is you if you haven't signed up for your subscription, because I have. And so I am going to go get all my fresh content and move on and do some good things. And if you haven't signed up, I'm talking to you, dummy. Now go sign up.
Are you looking for something beyond a great dental podcast? Join the Managing Dental Drama community. By becoming a subscriber, you're entitled to bonus content every month, as well as practical, tangible takeaways. Listen in to a snippet from our bonus episode this month, and then go to the show notes, click the subscribe button, and become a member of our community. We can't wait to have you.
Okay, I have a question for you, and I'm going to put you potentially, well, maybe not an awkward spot because you're not going to say who, but are you willing to tell me, like, of all your clients or people you talk to, how good are we as dentists, practice owners, about at the end of the year Christmas gift? Like, for example, I like to believe that I leave a good taste in my employees' mouths. I think they're happy, but I think that is an assumption. I don't know for sure. So I guess I would imagine you, like, say you came in the week after I did mine and you asked around and said, because you've come to some of my parties or whatever, and so you're able to tell me because you're watching and you're listening, kind of my hidden set of ears and eyes. But if you were to come in after, you'd be able to glean some nuggets from how it went, and then you'd be able to come full circle and kind of be like, hey, Kuba, this was really great. Let's save this for next time. Or, tell me more about this. Like, what did you say when you did this? Or, oh, what was the point of that? And you're always very kind. So I guess my question is, do you think we do a good job of not just the gift, but, well, that too. Are we gifting well?
Yeah.
And then moreover, the point of the gift is to make somebody feel appreciated, special, seen, and especially at the end of the year, carrying that into the next year, like, that's so pivotal because you're about to start afresh and you want the rah-rah team behind you. So it's if you misstep this, it could have a bigger ramifications. Totally. Right. So are you willing to talk about, do we do a good job? And if not, what do you think are some of the mistakes we make?
You know, it's interesting that you asked, do we do a good job? Because I think, if I were to be honest, I don't know that we put enough thought into the end of year gift.
So we are missing the mark.
Yeah.
There's lots more where this came from. Don't miss out on the opportunity to take your career to the next level. Go to the show notes, click on the subscribe button, and you'll have the opportunity to pick one of 3 membership levels. Level 1 gives you the rest of this episode. Level 2 gives you the episode as well as a monthly digest that is packed full of great tips and suggestions. And then Level 3 gets you a quarterly phone call with myself or Dr. Kuba. Don't hesitate. Click the button now.